Hi everyone, and welcome to our Canva course. In this Canva course, we are going to go from basics to advanced. For our very first lesson, I'm going to introduce you to Canva and its interface. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with our lesson. Canva has web, desktop and mobile versions available. All need is internet access. Once you open canva.com, you will be directed to a login page on your web browser. You need to sign up for an account before using it. You can also download the Canva software from the Canva website. If you search Download Canva on your browser, you'll find the download link easily. After you log in, Canva should look like this. Now, let's explore the Canva interface. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Here, you have Create, Home, Projects, Templates, Brand, Canva AI, Apps, and Classwork. At the bottom, you have the Notifications icon. This is where you can view all your updates and messages. Then you have Accounts icons. Here, you can manage your login and security, message preferences, and privacy settings. If I click on this menu, you'll notice it will expand. Click again, it collapses into a compact view. At the bottom, you'll find the Trash section. Any projects you delete will appear in the Trash folder. Just to the right top are 3 buttons. This one is displaying the design I have created already. The second button shows the templates, while the third is used to create designs with Canva AI. You have options to create designs for email, presentation, social media, docs, whiteboard, and so on. Here our recent designs are shown. You can see I have already designed some thumbnails. Click on More. You'll see the For You section at top left corner. This area displays template categories like presentations, social media, photo editor, and more. You'll also see options for documents, resumes, logos, and videos. There are templates for stories, flyers, infographics, wallpapers, and YouTube thumbnails. If you want to work specifically with videos, open the Video section. There's also a Websites section where you can design web pages. Under the More category, you'll find even more types of templates and tools. Now let's talk about the Projects tab. This is where you'll find all your saved and previous Canva projects. Next is the Templates tab, where you can explore pre-made templates from Canva or other creators. There are templates for business, social media, education, video marketing, and invitations. You'll also find templates for photos, icons, and more. You'll also find the Brand Templates section. This is useful if you've created a brand and want to manage its design assets. You can save your brand's graphics, images, and media here. If you don't have any brand templates yet, the area will be empty. You can click the Help icon with a question mark to learn more. There, you can visit the Help Center or ask a question directly. Next, let's move on to the Apps section. Canva offers many built-in and third-party apps. You'll find creative AI apps. You'll also find productivity apps and publishing tools to share your designs. There's a content planner feature too. This allows you to organize your work by setting dates and times for your projects. It's perfect for planning social media content or campaigns. You'll also find Mockups here. Mockups help you showcase your designs on real products like t-shirts, packaging, or posters. You can preview how your design would look in real life before printing or publishing. There's even a product photos feature in beta. It allows you to bulk edit product images for online sales. You simply upload your photos, select a style, and Canva enhances them automatically. That's all for this lesson. our introduction to Canva and its interface. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.